The Premium Sandbox environment is one of our most recent features, which allows admins to test and control the rollout of automation rules, new apps, or new features in a dummy environment before rolling them out to production company-wide. This can be great for just testing to make sure things work before rolling them out, and also it enables admins to train end users on specific changes that are coming out before they go into production. The sandbox will just be an empty standalone environment where you can test out features, you just don't have any production data available. And lastly, we have admin controls to delay the rollout of upcoming cloud releases to end users for a limited time with release tracks. So this is a new premium feature that enables admins to have more control over the experience of their end users with a comprehensive release changelog for upcoming scheduled releases. We like to say that Premium is backed by a solid foundation of the 3 S's. That's guaranteed 99.9% availability SLA, unlimited storage, and premium support. With a service level guarantee of 3 nines, you don't have to worry about unplanned downtime. With unlimited storage, that means no more limits on attachments or file sizes, and you can really encourage your users to collaborate to their heart's content. And with premium support, you get extra fast 1-hour response time, 24/7, from a dedicated team of premium experts.